Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and particularly your own learning YouTube channel. I'm very hopeful that you all guys will be very fine and doing very great at your homes with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we will talk about should and ought to. SHOULD should and OUGHT ought to. It is a should, not a should. L is a silent in that word. SHOULD. So always we will read this word should, not a should. So let's start learning English without any delay. So as we were talking about should and ought to, how can we use these words in the sentences, and by using these words how can we enhance our English language skills? These two words are very simple and these two words will help you to enhance your English language in a very good way. So let's start with the should. How can we use should in the sentences? I will let you know that should always be used it indicates three things, that is advice, obligations and recommendations. And these three words I very hopeful that ये आपने सुने होंगे. एडवाइस नसीहत को बोलते हैं और recommendations कि अगर आपने किसी को कोई चीज़ रिकमेंड करनी हो उसको बोलते हैं. और थर्ड वर्ड जो था and now we will talk about obligations. like अगर कोई भी आपको काम देता है या कोई फरीज़ा सौंपता है तो आपने उसको अदा करना है. in that sense or in that way we will use the word should in obligation way. For example, you should finish your homework daily. आपको अपना homework रोजाना ख़त्म करना चाहिए. Secondly, you should respond to your teacher very quickly. आपको अपने उस्ताद का जवाब फ़ौरन देना चाहिए. You should pray daily 5 times a day. आपको रोजाना 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा करनी चाहिए. Same as it is on the other hand or on the other side. If we will talk about ought to, तो इसमें कोई इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस या इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है. ought is a most and stronger sense. like कोई भी recommendations है, कोई भी advice है या कोई भी obligation है तो ये एक strong sense में होगी. For example, अगर आपके वालिद आपको कहते हैं, if your father says to you, you should go to university or school or college daily, कि आपको कॉलेज स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटी डेली जाना चाहिए, तो इसमें अगर हम शुड की जगह ought to का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो ये फिक्रा गलत नहीं होगा. एंड थर्डली अगर हम एग्जांपल दें कि यू शुड, जिस तरह हमने एग्जांपल देखी कि यू शुड सी अ गुड डॉक्टर, इसी तरह यू शुड ought to see a good doctor for your good health, कि आपको अपनी अच्छी सेहत के लिए अच्छे डॉक्टर को मिलना चाहिए या अच्छे डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए. सेम एज इट इज प्राइसेस ought to be down, कि कीमतें जो हैं वो कम होनी चाहिए. You should love your neighbor, जिस तरह हमने ऊपर एक मिसाल पढ़ी इस तरह हम इसमें ought to भी लगा सकते हैं. You should ought to love your neighbors. You ought to help him, आपको उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. इसी तरह जो should और ought to है इसका इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है, but should is used more common in the sentences and on the other hand ought to sounds is old fashioned. like ought to जो है वो पुरानी जो वक्तों में इंग्लिश बोली जाती थी या like in old times people used to speak English, they mostly use ought to for like every sentence, but now should is more commonly used in every sentences. I am very hopeful like these two words you will understand in a very good way. At the end I would like to say one thing more, like if you will not use ought to in the sentences, the sentence will not be wrong. कि अगर आप यानी कि should की जगह ought to लगाते हैं या ought to की जगह हर जगह पे should ही लगाते हैं तो आपका फिक्रा ना बोलने में गलत होगा और ना लिखने में गलत होगा. I hope you will understand. So at the end I would just like to say like please keep subscribe my YouTube channel, keep watching and keep sharing. Thank you so much.